What's going on, guys? It's Rocco here. I recently visited the Luminocity Festival in Oaks, PA, and let me tell you, there was tons of dinosaurs. Plenty of prehistoric creatures. I don't know what these had to do with Christmas, but they were super awesome to see. If you have any kids that like dinosaurs, I definitely recommend checking this out. They had both the cool dinosaur side and the Christmas side, which was super awesome. They look super lifelike. They were animatronic dinosaurs. My daughter had a blast, and they were huge as hell. So here's the Christmas side. They also had a winter lodge where you could stop in and munch on some goodies. I had the deep fried Oreos. And then we had this strange guy looking at me, this little light bulb. But overall, it was a super fun family trip. It lasted about an hour. The price of the tickets were $29 per person during the week and $32 on the weekend. You can check it out till January 7th, and thanks for watching.